Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your RODE VideoMic mounting system for free. This video is sponsored by RODE. Their W830BT is one of the best budget Bluetooth headphones available. Link in the description. This is my RODE VideoMic, and it has this old rubber mounting system which never worked and rotated out crazy fast. To upgrade this VideoMic, firstly we need to check if this microphone is still covered with warranty, and the matter of fact, most of these microphones were sold with a 10 or 5-year warranty. Now to check if your microphone is still covered with warranty, you should go to this link, which I will put in the description. To proceed to next step, you need to find and select your microphone, which in this case is VideoMic. In here you need to type in your serial number, but if you don't know where that serial number is, this picture solves that problem. And then you will be able to contact them and ask them to send you this upgraded recoiler mounting system. My microphone is covered with 10-year warranty, and after I did all that, I received this package. Here are all the instructions, but we don't need that. It comes with this RODE labeled screwdriver and 2 longer screws. Okay, let's install this mount. Firstly, we need to remove these 2 screws. It's very important to use these longer screws. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, like, share, comment and make sure to subscribe, because next video will be about sound testing this microphone. And as always, thanks for watching.